average speed and average velocity. Average speed is equal to total distance by total time taken, and average velocity, total displacement by total time taken. Next we will have instantaneous velocity or instantaneous speed and instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous speed is, I can write V instantaneous speed is limit del t stands to 0, delta x by delta t, that becomes dx by dt. And V instantaneous velocity, same thing, but I will write like this. Now we will have magnitude of instantaneous velocity is always equal to instantaneous speed, like V is equal to which is not equal to dx by dt, because dx vector is not equal to dx. This thing we must always remember.